Hey you guys, I am back with another video. How y'all doing? I'm doing great, obviously. I'm chilling in my room. But I just wanted to make a video on a couple things I've seen on YouTube and seeing this in a lot of people comments and stuff like that about how to get paid on YouTube. Okay, first of all, YouTube is not easy. YouTube is not like a quick way to make money because it's actually based off views, right? It's not based on subscribers. A lot of people think it's based on subscribers. Like, oh man, if I get 1 million subscribers, you know what I'm saying, I can get paid off YouTube. No. They wouldn't make it that easy. If that's the case, everybody would be getting paid on YouTube. First of all, YouTube is paid by views, right? So say if you get 50,000 views on a channel, on one of your videos on your channel, you're roughly making about 90 bucks off 50,000, off 50,000 views. 50,000 views is a lot. So you would think that you would get paid a little bit more than that, but no. YouTube doesn't work like that. So you're making about, what, $1 per 1,000 or something like that? I mean $1. Do you know how hard it is to get 1,000 views? It's very hard. Now, back in the day, YouTube didn't require that much. You know what I'm saying? It was just make a video on YouTube and you can, you know, connect accents and all that stuff to it. But now they made it to the point where you got to have at least 10,000 views to even start to get paid. You know what I'm saying? And then you get paid by the views. Okay, I've said that 3 times already. I don't know why I keep saying that. But yeah, this is how YouTube pays you. You know what I'm saying? So you got a lot of people on here that push out videos. You know what I'm saying? Because they're trying to get enough views to even make anything. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people on here can make a living off of YouTube. But they got to have like, I mean, thousands of views. If you're only getting 50,000 views per video, I mean, you're looking at $100. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people get paid by ads on their video. So if you got somebody that you following or somebody that you like to watch or whatever, don't skip the ads. I mean, they don't even get paid off the ad if you skip it. You got to watch at least 30 seconds before them to get paid for that specific ad. You know what I'm saying? 30 seconds. And then I know I do it a lot. I skip through the ad because I want to get through the video. You know what I'm saying? But not knowing that we're like cutting them off from getting paid. I know a lot of you all could care less if they get paid or not. But if you're supporting them, I mean, hey, support them all the way, right? But yeah, that's just what I want to speak on. YouTube is not an easy job. A lot of people that you all follow, it's like big YouTubers like DK4L. I love them, by the way. Chris and Queen, love them, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Just look at how many views they're getting on one video. And not making much off of those videos. That's why you see them disappear. Might not make a video for like a week or 2 or whatever because they have stuff on the side. You know what I'm saying? You just can't depend on YouTube for money. That's just not going to work like that. I mean, unless you're pushing out 3 videos a day and that's reaching, you know what I'm saying, 100,000 views for that month. You know what I'm saying? Each to even calculate a good $300, $400. And that's a month. You know what I'm saying? I can't rely on that. You know, I make that in a week with my job. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I can't just be sitting on here waiting for my money to build up on YouTube. Like, if I make a video, I make a video. You know what I'm saying? If it gets seen, it gets seen. I pretty much do it for fun. Yeah, I would like to get paid. But I got to work, you know what I'm saying, to get paid with YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I just wanted to speak on that. Like, everybody think it's just, like, easy as pie. No, everybody would be on here then. You know what I'm saying? You have to work. They made sure you had to work this round. I don't know why they changed it up or whatever, or why they wanted you to have 10,000 views to even get monetized. I guess because everybody was trying to do it or whatever, but yeah, it's most definitely hard, you guys. It is hard. I got a few subscribers. My subscribers have went up a little. But you have to cross post. You have to put it on Instagram. You have to put it on Facebook, Twitter. You know what I'm saying? You have to cross post for people to even look at it. You know what I'm saying? Because you got all these big YouTubers. Everybody flocks to their page because they're known already. You know, on Instagram, Facebook, you got a network. You know what I'm saying? And they get paid by the thousands of views. You got people that got millions of views off one video. That's how you make your money. When you get out of the 1,000 range, that's how you make your money, or you have a lot of ads. And then if you have a lot of ads on your video, nobody wants to watch it. Like, where do you go from there? You know what I'm saying? What to do next? You just got to keep your subscribers or your viewers interested, I guess. But if they skip the ad, you're just doomed anyway, right? But, hey, I mean, you win some, you lose some. You know what I'm saying? Don't get discouraged. The worst thing you can do is get discouraged and not do it at all. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, just keep going. Don't get discouraged, man. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, you will get there. You'll get enough views or whatever to get your little extra side money. That's what I call it, side money. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not a lot unless you're like a big vlogger or somebody that has a lot of attention on your page. That's the only way you're going to get there. And you got people that's like, oh, I made $7,000 in a month. Girl, how? You know what I'm saying? You just, what did you do? Because everybody knows how YouTube pays. Everybody should know how YouTube pay. Or whatever, but I'm sorry for my lighting, y'all. I keep moving around trying to get the good lighting. But yeah. Yeah, but everybody know how YouTube works. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta work. Basically, you have to work for YouTube to even consider you, you know what I'm saying, being somebody that's interested. And then you have a lot of people that say, hey, like this video, you know what I'm saying, comment below, subscribe to my channel. Now, the likes, we're going to talk about the likes. The likes on the video gets you in a higher ranking. That's why a lot of people say, like the video, because it pushes you to the top. You know what I'm saying? And then you know how you get in the feed? That's what everybody's trying to do, get in the feed where they will actually show your video. You know what I'm saying? And people are like, oh, let's see what this is about. You know what I'm saying? That's what everybody's trying to get to. The likes. You know what I'm saying? You have to like the video. If you don't get a lot of likes in your video, you know what I'm saying? You basically have to be searched. You know, YouTube do it for you if you can get the people to like it. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people don't even take that little 1 second out of their day to like the video. You know what I'm saying? Just like the video. It's not that hard. Don't skip the ads. If the ad is really long, 30 seconds is tops. That's all you need to get paid for the ad. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, it's all work. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what the heck is going on in my throat. All of a sudden, okay? YouTube, y'all, we're making me cough and choke on here. Okay? We ain't gonna have none of that. But yeah, so, YouTube is not as easy as everybody make it seem. So, you know, you put in enough work, eventually you'll get enough money. That's just how it is. Nothing is easy at all. Nothing is easy. So I hope you wouldn't think that YouTube is just that easy, because it's not. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just push out more content. Try to get as much views as possible. And like I said, cross post, Instagram, Facebook, network. A lot of people pay, you know what I'm saying, for people to repost and shout them out and stuff like that. But if you pay for a promotion or whatever, and nobody watches it still, that is like so discouraging. You just want to quit. You done paid out your money. Nobody's still looking at the video. You know what I'm saying? So just do it yourself. If you can do it yourself and just cross-post, get people. I mean, don't pay nobody to do the work for you. You'll feel much better if you do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody's gonna make it easy on you. They got a YouTube too, so they're not trying to make you first before them. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, I suggest just doing the work for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Instagram is really big. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has an Instagram. So if you can post it there, hey, watch my video, so-and-so. If you got enough people on your Instagram. My Instagram, I have about 5,000 followers on my Instagram, and I just started cross-posting. I don't know why I just started cross-posting, but I did recently. You know what I'm saying? Then you got to do giveaways and stuff that keep people wanting to look, oh, what she got next? Oh, she'll do a giveaway. Oh, man, she's doing a giveaway. Hey, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just got to keep people wanting to watch your content. So this is basically what it is. And that's all the information that I want you all to know. Yeah, that's basically it. You know what I'm saying? It's not as easy as everybody think it is. I mean, you got to have a lot of views to get some money. I mean, 50,000 views on a video. On one, say if you make 3 videos in a day. All 3 of them made 50,000 views. Okay. You're getting paid $1 to $3 per view. And then you got 50,000 views on each video. I mean, you can clearly do the math on that. Now we're talking. You got 3 videos out in a day. You know what I'm saying? You got 50,000 per video. So we're looking at 150,000. You know what I'm saying? And you get $1 to $3 per view. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you gotta work. You gotta work, people. Thank you guys for watching, and I will upload more videos when I have the time. Like I said, I work. Got 3 kids. You know what I'm saying? So I just gotta find a time for you all, like everybody has to do for their views. Views. What the heck is that? Viewers. But yeah. And until next time, you guys, be safe, stay blessed, and remember to work. And remember to like my video, as I just stated. Like the videos, and they will go up in the ranking, okay? Thank you guys. Bye. Mwah.